Yes, I can see you. 'Cause every girl here wanna be you. Oh, she's a diva. I feel the same and I wanna meet her. They say she low down. It's just a rumor and I don't believe them. They say she needs to slow down. The baddest thing around town. She's nothing like a girl you've ever seen before. Nothing you can compare to your neighborhood. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. The way that booty moving, I can't take no more. Had to stop what I'm doing so I can pull her close. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. Damn girl, damn, you's a sexy fish, a sexy fish. Damn, you's a sexy fish. Damn girl, damn, you's a sexy fish, a sexy fish. Damn, you's a sexy fish. Damn girl. a diva. I feel the same and I wanna meet her. They say she low down, it's just a room and I don't believe her. They say she needs to slow down, the baddest thing around town. Before, nothing you can compare to your neighborhood. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. The way that booty moving, I can't take no more. Had to stop what I'm doing so I can pull her close. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. Damn girl, damn, you's a sexy bitch, a sexy bitch. Damn, you's a sexy bitch. Damn girl, damn, you's a sexy bitch, a sexy bitch. Damn, you's a sexy bitch. Damn girl, damn, you's a sexy bitch, a sexy bitch. Damn, you's a sexy bitch. Damn girl, damn, you's a sexy bitch, a sexy bitch. Damn, you's a sexy bitch. Damn, you's a sexy bitch.
My goodies, my goodies, my goodies, not my goodies.
A few seconds or more, then it's a wrap. Tell the lady bring my lap, and I ain't coming back, so you can put a car right there. I'm the truth, and they ain't got nothing to prove. And you can ask anybody, cause they seen me do it. Barricades, I run right through them, I'm used to them. Throw all the dirt you want, it's no use. Still won't have a pen up in a fabulous room. Bone her back, picking out a basket of fruit. I love you, boo. Yeah, freaking Petey love you too. You know how I do. That good, good.
You may look at me and think that I'm just a young girl, but I'm not just a young girl, baby. This is what I'm looking for. Sexy, independent, gonna spend it, type that's getting it started. Not being too dramatic, that's the way I gotta have it. I bet you want the goodies, bet you thought about it. Got you all hot and bothered, because I talk around. Looking for the goodies, keep on looking, cause they stay in the jar. Yeah. Just because you drive a Benz, I'm not going home with you. You won't get no nookie or the cookies. I'm no rookie. I'm sexy, independent, I ain't waited, so you already know. I'm not being too dramatic, that's the way I gotta have it. Me too slick, try to hit, but I'm not done. I'm not being too dramatic, it's just how I gotta have it. I bet you want the goodies, bet you thought about it. Got you all hot and bothered, because I talk around it. Looking for the goodies, keep on looking, cause they stay in the jar.
So damn hot, but so young. Still got milk in your tongue. Slow down, little one. We ain't got long. Hey, shawty. You know, you think you bad, but you ain't bad. I'll show you what bad is. Bad is when you're capable of beating the baddest. I've been working at it ever since I came to this planet. I ain't quite there yet, but I'm getting better at it. Matter of fact, let me tell it to you one more again. All I got to do is tell a girl who I am. Ain't there a chick in here that I can't have. Bada boom, bada bam, bada bam.
You're insinuating that I'm hot, but these goodies, boy, are not. Just for any of the many men that's trying to get on top. No, you can't call me later, and I don't want your number. I'm just respect the play I'm calling. I bet you want the goodies, bet you thought about it. Got you all hot and bothered, because I talk around it. Looking for the goodies, keep on looking, cause they stay in the jar.
Hey, shout, I like the way your ass hit up. I'm only whispering cause I'm just trying to fuck. Ooh, go move that ass, give a G a chance and let me close the gap in your pants. I can tell you a freak by the waist you stand. Yeah, triple A mag, I'm a grown man. You heard me? You fucking with a grown man. Hold your legs up, baby, scream my name like a fan. Shh, you ain't got nothing to say. Hold on, little baby, it's for KKK. Hey, some say you're wrong for fucking a nigga, bitch. The same niggas who do the same shit. Suck my dick quick, get me rich quick. Take this good ass stuck in the healthy nightstick. I'm icy like Gucci, I'm busting the Uzi. Going in the pussy, I don't fuck with the booty. When I'm in the bed, still carry my tool. Do the Paris Hilton and make a porno movie. I'm groovy, like motherfucking Austin. Look at all the deep bras and draws that I'm dropping.
This is the way remix. This is the way remix. Hey girl, this is the way remix. Cause you couldn't get enough. Like
you might like to hear. I got a nice little and my ass poke out automatically. I could ride her, no doubt. I'm known for getting all the haters mad. I could go slow but go crazy fast. I give amazing head, backside a little softer than a baby's ass. Now that's wild soft. I let a rich nigga hit it on his golf course. I got a young dude, and that was my fault. I let him see me in my brown and my bar shorts. Now for the freaks in here is the remix. Putting it down with the yin yang twins. But last night I fell in love with the OG. He crept up on me, and that's what he told me. He said,
this is the way remix. This is the way remix. Hey girl, this is the way remix. Cause you couldn't get enough. Like couldn't get enough, couldn't get enough. Couldn't get enough, couldn't get enough. Couldn't get enough, couldn't get enough.
Baby.
Couldn't get enough.
Let me holler at you, shorty. Before I put my cup on your ass, you're looking like I could park my truck in your ass. Shorty, you should go ahead, clap that shit with your big ass, making me wanna slap that shit. You know what? Jump in my ride, let's slide and beat up the putty and cook your little fish fillet fried. Now it's time to make you open wide, like you dying to fuck, like you ain't got no pride. I love it. I'll take you right along the wild side. Fuck you off the edge of the bed, landslide. That's right. The way you freaky, I wanna hand glide all on your ass. You tryna give me head in my ride. Shh, wait.